Hello everyone. Let's now discuss how can we solve this problem. Smallest all ones multiple. You are given a positive integer k. Find the smallest integer n divisible by k that consists of only the digit 1 in its decimal representation. 1, double 1, triple 1 and so on. Return an integer denoting the number of digits in the decimal representation of n. If no such n exists, return minus 1. I'll tell you how we can solve this by taking this example. First k is equal to 3, the output is 3. I'll tell you how. Now let us take the first example. K is equal to 3 and they are saying that the output is 3, nothing but triple 1 is the answer, nothing but the multiple of 3. Let us just start with 1. 3 zeros 0, the remainder is 1, so it isn't a multiple of 3, we know it. 3 3 is 9 and the remainder is 2, so it is not the multiple of 3. Triple 1, 3 ones, sorry, 3 threes 9 and then 21. 3 sevens 21 and then 0. Remember this 2, remember this 1 and remember this 21. 1 here 11, 2 here 21. Just remember it. I'll go through the next example. K is equal to 7. Let us start this. 7 zeros 0 and the remainder is 1. Now double 1, 7 ones 7 and the remainder is 4. 7 triple 1, right? 7 ones 7, I have 41. 7 fives 35 and the remainder is 6. Now 7 double 1 double 1, 7 ones 7, 41. 7 fives 35, 61. 7 eights 56, right? 7 eights 56, 5. Now let's go to 5 ones. It is not even divisible till now. 7 and 5 number of ones, 1 2 3 4 5 7 ones 7 41, 7 fives 35, 61. This 7 ones 41, 1 is here, this 61 is here. 7 sevens 49, 7 nines 63, 7 eights 56, then 51, right? 7 sevens 49 and I have a 2 here. Now let's just take 6 ones 2 3 4 5 6, 7 ones 7, 40, 7 ones 7 41, 7 7 fives 35, 61. Yes, 7 7 eights 56, so 51. 7 sevens 49, here 2 and 7 threes, sorry, 1 here, 7 threes 21 and it is 0. But let me tell you one thing which I have observed is 0 into something plus 1, nothing but 0 into 10 plus 1 will give me 1. 1 into 10 plus 1 will give me 11. 4 into 10 plus 1 will give me 41. 6 into 10 plus 1 will give me 61. 61 and here it is 5, right? 5 into 10 plus 1, 5 into 10 plus 1 will give me 51. Now 2 into 10 plus 1 will give me 21 and it will not go beyond this. Why? Because let me take 7 elements here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it will be 1 5 8 7 3 21. 21 sorry 21 and it will be 0 and I will be having a 1 here. Now 0 and then 0 here, the remainder is 1, which is nothing but I am coming from the beginning again. So no need to do after this length of 7. So the maximum length I can go is till 7. Let me write it. Length I can go is till k and the length I'll start is 1 and length plus plus. The first remainder is 0. So remainder is equal to 0 and every time what I am doing, instead of dividing it with double one and 5 1 6 ones, I just multiply it with previous remainder, divide it with previous remainder. Previous remainder is 6 into remainder into 10. 60 plus 1 is nothing but 61 mod 7 will give me, what does it give me? 7, yeah, it's 56, so the remainder is 5. I will again take this as remainder. I'll just change it as my remainder. How do I do it? Reminder is equal to reminder reminder into 10 plus 1 mod k. K is nothing but 7. So I'll just do this for loop. Now, what if suddenly the reminder has become 0? That's where I'll just return the size of or the length of L. Nothing length of ones, nothing but L. So if the reminder is equal to 0, I'll just return L there itself. But if I didn't find any remainder as 0, I'll just return -1. But one thing I need to tell you, if k mod 2 is equal to 0 or k mod 5 is equal to 0, there will be nothing something like double one double one which can be a multiple of 2. How does you think even double one will be once will be a multiple of 2 or multiple of 5? That's how you solve this problem. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video.